Hi, just a few minutes today to talk about linking and sharing in VoiceThread. If you are in VoiceThread and you're browsing through to find a good VoiceThread you'd like to share with anyone else, or you've searched for one here and one's come up that you like, and you want to share it, this is all you need to do. I really like this third grade poetry and art one here. I've looked at it before and I think it's such an excellent job for third grade. The poetry in there is phenomenal. You can go to this, when you open it, the VoiceThread app, you will get this page, and you click down here to get to the VoiceThread itself. You can always click on this little page. It doesn't always show up quite that same way. So what you want to realize is it's very easy also, instead of going down here and looking at everything down here, just look up here in the top left hand corner at this little gear menu. If you click on that gear menu and go to share.
In closing, I want to say this.
Go to share.
Most visitors to Chernobyl expect it to be a place.
Guess we can't be talking while we're doing that. Okay, go to share. You'll have the share option. When you click on the share option, you will have that same window show up. If they're allowing us to share this, and it looks like they're not. I picked one that wasn't being allowed to be shared. Okay, let's try this one. Internment camps, a fourth grade project. Let's go up to the wheel again and go down to share. And this is what you should happen to see if they have agreed to share it with people and not keep it private. Copy the link right here, and you won't see much happen except the red sign comes up that tells us that the link has been copied. You go back to your forum link. I had the old one in there yet. New link. Paste the link into the URL box there. Hit OK, and now your link is set to go so that we can all click on this and get to that VoiceThread and take a look at what you like and listen to how you have told us that it does a good job of using VoiceThread to link with an educational topic in a meaningful way. Let's go back to VoiceThread one more time. That same gear wheel, if you wanted to embed this video. Now, we haven't talked about embedding in any of our tools so far. Embedding is an important topic, so we're going to spend some time right now talking about that. When you embed something in a web page or another application, a wiki, you need to have source code, HTML, markup language, okay? And most people don't know what that is or how to use it, but that doesn't matter. To embed, you don't have to fully understand it, you just have to copy some code and put it in the right place. So it's real handy. Now, when I clicked on embed and it says embed the VoiceThread, all these pre-selected sites like Facebook, Google, Twitter, and all of these, I could click on these and it would embed into my account in that particular app for me. But for our purposes, most of the time when you want to embed, I find myself wanting to embed projects on web pages, on the church or school web page. So what I do is I look down here. Now this link is the share link, not the embed link. And the reason you can tell is you see the HTTP. This looks like a URL, and it is a URL. So here we could copy that and link to that, but we don't want to link, we want to embed. Linking will just put a link on and you have to go to another page to see it. When you embed, you actually put the presence of the object you're embedding onto the page. So when people open up the web page, for example, they see the VoiceThread. They don't have to click somewhere to go look at it. So here is our embed code in this box, and we have, it says embed code. Here it is. All we would do is copy it, and then you would have to go into your website. And I can't show you the other end of that because depending on what kind of website host you use, it's a little different. If you are using Final Web, the Synod web page hosting company, when you open a new object, there's a little box up in the left-hand corner that says source code. If you click on source code, that is where you would paste your embedded code. And then when you say save, you'll see the actual voice thread in your website. So embedding is something that can be done with most tools. Anything that can generate code can be embedded. A Glogster can be embedded. We didn't talk about that when we were going over Glogsters. Animoto can be embedded. Virtually anything you can link can also be embedded. So it's another way of connecting viewers to your products. Okay? So I hope that makes it a little more clear and shows you how to find those things, particularly in VoiceThread, while you're working on them in this particular lesson. Thank you.